Welcome TechbrothersIT. In this video, we are going to start a new tutorial about Microsoft Fabric. We are going to cover a lot of concepts and we are going to perform a lot of demos in this tutorial. So I will suggest you don't just get stuck on very first of videos because at starting you might be like you were totally new to the Azure and you haven't worked on Azure Synapse or Azure Data Factory and all those different tools and it will be totally new environment for you. And this can take a little bit of time to get familiar, but I'm going to tell you, if you will go through the tutorial and spend maybe between 2 to 3 hours, all the new terminology, all the new tabs will start making sense to you. And my approach is going to be more like covering less theoretical knowledge and performing more demos so you can have hands-on experience. So here is our very first video. What is Microsoft Fabric? So let's take a look at what is the definition of Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is all-in-one analytics platform that unifies data movement, data engineering, data science, real-time analytics, and business intelligence, all built on top of OneLake, a single secure data lake for entire organization. So that tells you like there are a lot of components here. You will be performing different type of task here, and all the data will be saved here in OneLake. It is the evolution of the modern data stack, combining technologies from Power BI, where you create the reports, Azure Synapse Analytics. There you have serverless SQL pool or server dedicated SQL pool, and you have Spark pools and create all those different notebooks in the Azure Synapse Analytics. So you all the capability what Azure Synapse Analytics has, it is also part of this fabric. And Azure Data Factory is the ETL tool where you have create the pipelines where you use copy activity to read the CSV file or Parquet file and load into different destination, maybe data warehousing or Azure SQL DB, or maybe in different other cloud places. Maybe you just create the file and put in the S3 bucket, or maybe load the data to the BigQuery into a SaaS based experience. So all these are different components. So what you have here already we were using in Azure, and now you can put them together and make this a SaaS based experience in this Microsoft Fabric. Now here is the core components of Microsoft Fabric. The very first one we will consider OneLake, the unified data lake storage that underpins all Fabric workloads. So this is where you are going to save all those structured files, unstructured files. You will be creating Delta table, have Parquet files and everything. Now this OneLake can be used to store the data, and then you can query that data. So the very next component is called the Lakehouse. Combine the scalability of a data lake with usability of data warehousing. So Lakehouse is going to contain your structured, unstructured files, and also you will be creating tables. Those will be Delta tables where you will load those files and then you will be querying them by notebooks, or you will be using SQL to query those tables. And we will see this in more real in like a visual in the next videos. It's gonna start making a whole lot sense. Just remember a few definitions for now. Don't worry too much, don't try to remember everything. It's okay, because we are gonna go through all of them and perform the demos on them many times. So warehouse is a traditional SQL data warehousing experience for the BI workloads. So think about it, it's like a SQL database where you will be able to have create tables, where you have views, where you have all those other objects that you have in a traditional SQL database or data warehousing. Data Factory is the visual data pipeline and data flows for data ingestion and transformation. So whatever the Data Factory ETL tool has the capability to create different pipelines, we will be able to use or create these pipelines here in Fabric as well. They will be exactly pretty much like Data Factory pipelines. Now, Power BI visualization and reporting engine deeply integrated in Fabric. So you can create the reports by using Power BI from here inside the Fabric. Data science and real-time notebooks, ML, machine learning, and even processing for advanced analytics. So all these capabilities, when we put together, they are included in the Fabric. Now here is the high level architecture, and this is what I have put. So this is not that great, but it serves the purpose. So you have OneLake here, and in the OneLake you have delta tables, Parquet files, CSV files, JSON files, and whatnot. You have many different files sitting there, and then on top of that you will be using pipelines or data flows to read those files, and or you will be using notebooks and Spark jobs to read those different files and tables like delta tables, and then maybe when you read those files and then write it here to the Lakehouse tables, that will be delta tables, or you will be writing to the data warehousing, and then you will be using the Power BI. So Microsoft Fabric provide a unified compute engine and a storage layer, allowing user to interact with the data using a SQL, Spark, Python, or visual tools, all without moving data. So let's say you have files right here, you don't have to worry about like, hey, I need to move this file to another storage or all that. It's right there, and your data factory can access that file and load to the data warehouse after performing some transformations. So everything is going to be in OneLake, and then you will be accessing that in different places by using these different compute engines such as Server, Spark, Python, or even visual tools, maybe Power BI. So creating the reports from there. Now, if you I will give you actually a more better diagram. Here is a Microsoft Fabric diagram that's much better than mine. And here is you have OneLake, then a Microsoft Preview. You will use that for that with the combination of here in the Fabric as well. You have Copilot in the Fabric as well, so it helps you to write your code and do a lot of things for you. I will have videos on these topics as well. Then you have Azure Data Factory, then you have data engineering, then you have data warehousing, so then you have real-time intelligence, you have Power BI, partner and industry workloads. So yeah, I was going to tell you like, hey, here in OneLake, when we have files there, even let's say we need to query some files from the S3 bucket or GCS storage, then we can create external links to those. And we don't have to move the data to the OneLake. We can use them as shortcuts and then use them wherever we need to use. So we will go through all those different topics. Now, key benefits: unified experience, no switching between multiple tools. So if you can ask me, I came as a Azure data engineer, and I know that I go to Data Factory, create the pipelines, and then I need to create the notebook. Then I will use Azure Databricks and create the notebook. Then I need to use those in different places. Then maybe I go to the Azure Synapse portal and go in the workspace and work there. So there are three different places I had to work sometime. Here in the Fabric, I will have everything here. I need to create the pipeline. I will create the pipeline. I need to use the data warehousing. I will use right here in the same UI. I need to create the report and I will go ahead and create the report right here. So it is very helpful because it's one place where I can perform all those different tasks, and it reduces my work and also give me edge to create multiple objects in one place. Okay, built-in intelligence, all AI powered features across services. So we are gonna explore those features which are AI powered here. Direct Lake, lightning fast Power BI performance on Lakehouse tables. So remember, in the Lakehouse you will be creating those delta tables, and then if your Power BI need to query those tables, it can go ahead and query those tables and create the reports. Enterprise grade governance via Microsoft Purview. So that's also available right here. Pay as you go or capacity based pricing. So we'll talk about pricing a lot more, but right now just I want to finish this video and come to the next video where I will explain more. Okay, conclusion. Microsoft Fabric is a powerful step forward for organizations looking to simplify their data stack while enabling advanced analytics, business intelligence, real-time reporting on a unified platform. In next video, we are going to go ahead and actually create our user and set up the free account, and then we will be exploring how to create our first Lakehouse and load data into it. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.